This video is brought to you by Insta360. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Roger Sang, and today we're gonna be talking about how to vlog as a runner and what accessories I would recommend. So if you've been following me online, I've recently got into running. I'm training for a half marathon, and I've been trying to figure out ways to capture and vlog the activities and events and how to just capture those memories. And I think I've dialed it in pretty close to what I want to have. Because one of the factors of when you're doing long distance running is that you don't want to carry a lot of things with you. Focus on the run and be there in the moment. And at first when I did it, I was kind of conflicted with, well, I want to capture it because that gets me excited as well, but it was distracting me from my run. So I believe I've broken it down to a minimal setup. I recently just ran another 5K race and I did my best time. So that was pretty good. Beat my personal record by 18 seconds. So yeah, kudos to me on that. But I also decided to vlog the race as well.
Where's our music? There we go.
So here's what I had here. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you what I brought with me on the race and what I would recommend for anybody that wants to vlog it. So first, let's start with audio. Not audio for recording, but audio for motivation. This right here is the Sony LinkBuds Fit. They're great headphones, and I love them so much because they sound so good. They're full sound. And if you look at the shape of them, they're a little bit different than your standard headphone that you'd see because instead of going below your ear, this kind of tucks into the top of your earlobe. So if I put them in like this, you see how it sits right in the top. They're also noise cancellation, and I can have that on or off. I just tap on right here to turn on and off the noise cancellation feature. But these are the headphones that I've come to love while running. They fit great, they don't fall out of my ears, and they sound really good. So that is not necessarily important for vlogging or capturing the run, but to motivate you as you go. I just want to make a plug here for pretty much my favorite headphones for running and working out that I've used recently. I have a lot of different headphones. These are the ones that I love for working out. Okay, now let's talk about actual vlogging of the race. So audio is just as important as video, if not more important. Audio can either turn away your audience or pull them into the experience. So what I have here is the DJI Mic 2. And the reason why I like the Mic 2 is because it has 32-bit float recording, which means you can be as loud or as quiet as you want to, and you can fix that in post, and it doesn't lose your audio quality. So I like that. Now, as tiny as it is, it's a little bulky in the sense of running to have it clipped onto you. So what I like to do is use this right here, the DJI Lab mic, and it works perfectly with this. So what I'll do is I'll open this up. There's a little gap right there where I'll tuck the cord into so it doesn't pull. And then I'll plug this in. And now I can wear this lav mic, and I have this under my shirt. And as I bring it up under my shirt, I just clip it on right here so that I can capture the audio. And then I could set this in my pocket and hit record. So I have this going like that, and I have the good audio, and it doesn't sync to the camera that I'm gonna be talking about in a moment here, but I can edit that in post and have really good, crisp audio. And if anything, the in-camera audio is already pretty good, but this is a good backup or a good primary if you want that. So I have this set up here for the audio. Now let's talk about the camera that we're going to use here. This is the Insta360 GO 3S. It is an awesome camera for vlogging. It's small, it has this screen, and you can vlog yourself just like that, but also it works just like any other action camera. You can change the different viewing angles and such. But through these accessories I'm going to show you is why I would recommend this, why it's so cool, is I can run and have this extended and vlog myself as I run and have this up to see myself, get the feedback. And this is actually how I filmed most of the run, was just like this. But also this little grip right here, it's also a tripod. And there's that. It's very lightweight, meaning that what I could do is I could unclip this and put this in my pocket as I'm running. And that really doesn't take up a lot of space. It's very lightweight. I just tuck that in my pocket when I don't want to use it because I've got some other clips and mounts to use. Here's how to get those POV shots. Is this comes with the Insta360 GO 3S. I could tuck this into my shirt, like so. And as I have it on underneath, what I could do is I could squeeze this here, pull out the camera, and now I can get those POV shots from right there, from my shirt. That gets it vertically. If I want to get a landscape horizontal video, I just attach it like that, and I can film myself as I'm running, getting those POV shots. It's good because I can turn my head, I can do whatever I want. and it gets those shots in front of me. But remember, as I'm running, I don't want to be thinking about switching camera angles too often. So I have it there. Here's a couple options. I can do it in my chest with the necklace, but also I've got this wrist mount, and these are from Insta360. This is one of my favorite mounting options when running because it keeps me hands-free. I just insert my camera on my wrist, and there it is, and I can film myself as I'm running to get those shots that I want to move my hand, and my hands are free, and I can rotate this to a different angle if I want to film in front of me and run. And it's easier to hold my hand like that rather than holding it with this. So just a couple options for you. And then last but not least, what I would also recommend is this hat clip. And I clipped it onto my beanie. So all I need to do is put the camera in there. I can wear my beanie and I can run, and I'm very hands-free. And if I wanted to see what I was filming, I turn this on in my hand and I can control this. So as I'm running, I've got this going, I've got good audio from the mic. I could take this in and out of my pocket to view and to start and stop recording my POV shot. And that's a pretty sweet setup. So, and those are pretty much all of the recommended items for running. I mean, this is pretty lightweight here. And I do have a bonus accessory. Is this right here is this magnet clip, and you can clip it onto things. You could also attach it via magnet. You pretty much just mount the attachment for the Insta360 GO 3S onto there, and you can just carry this around with you and clip it on and off rather than using this tripod here. So if you want to learn more about these accessories, I'll have a link in the description below. They are affiliate links. Also, again, thank you to Insta360 for sending out the Insta360 GO 3S for me to use on my runs and my journey. And the holiday sale is going on right now. So the first 5 people to purchase the Insta360 GO 3S using my affiliate link below will receive 10% off and receive a free gift. So go act now, act fast. And this is the biggest discount that I've seen this year on the Insta360 GO 3S. So go check out that. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. If you found value in this video, please like and comment on this video and share it with your friends. And if you want to explore more videos surrounding tech and content creator tech, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
You got it. Right in the end.
We're at the end. I'm just about dying here.
What? Let's go. You got it. The thing you saved. Don't you push it. Go right there. Let's go, Roger.